Yan, welcome back to my channel, Oman Filipino Times. Magandang araw po sa mga ka-OFT natin dyan at sa ating mga organic viewers dito sa ating tutorial segment sa Oman Filipino Times and Oman University team. Of course, magandang araw sa ating lahat and I hope everyone is well and healthy. So sa araw na ito na segment guys na tutorial ay ituturo po ni Oman Filipino Times kung paano ba i-connect si Nightbot sa ating live streaming sa YouTube channel natin. Sa mga ka-small YouTubers, listen very carefully. I will tell you step by step paano natin siya i-connect doon. But first of all, before ko kayo turuan, I will just give you a simple introduction. Sino ba si Nightbot? Para maintindihan natin, hindi lang tayo doon gawa ng gawa or pasok tayo ng pasok sa isang application which we don't know anong application po iyon, okay? So, first kasi may ibang nagkakalat ng balita na this, si Nightbot, may sharing revenue sa mga monetized channel, ganito, those and that, okay? So, before we use this application, I will give you a brief review kung sino ba si Nightbot, okay? So, first, si Nightbot guys is not a person. Hindi siya tao, but it's a bot developed by a user named Night. So who also created such things as Better TV. So that was April 2, 2019 statements of the Nightbot company. Of course, ang history, may brief history po si Nightbot. The company he worked for is closed down. It was renamed to Konabot. For a very short period of time, Kona did not want the bot name after him. So he suggested Nightbot, which is what is still named as today. So that is the recent statement of the creator of the Nightbot. Actually guys, hindi siya before Nightbot. It is Konabot. But the person who discovered it, hindi siya gusto na ipangalan sa kanya. So it's Konabot before, now it became Nightbot. So, yun guys, ang brief kung sino si Nightbot. Hindi siya tao, but it is a software. Okay? Software siya na nag-a-assist sa atin sa ating live streaming, nagwe-welcome. So, makikita nyo later on bakit nag-a-assist siya sa atin. Because Nightbot is one of our moderators, that is automatic moderators. Okay? So, and second thing, and the last thing, and the very critical thing that I want to tell you that because some other are talking about the Nightbot, that Nightbot has a sharing revenue sa mga monetized channel na. So, may mga nagkakalat na mga fake news na ganito. But, I will tell you, I have emailed to the Nightbot company regarding with the issues that they are talking about. And Nightbot guys, as they replied to me, that Nightbot is a third-party software and it is not connected to YouTube industry. In other words, they are not getting any share revenue sa ating mga YouTube channel. Okay? Clear yun guys ha? Nightbot doesn't have any share of revenue sa ating mga monetized channel. Okay? So yun, napaliwanag ko na sa inyo sino si Nightbot. So ano si Nightbot at kung may sharing revenue ba siya, free ba siya? Yes, guys, Nightbot is totally free. Walang bayad kahit sintimo sa ating revenue. Walang bayad po guys, okay? So free na free po si Nightbot and very easy and easy to use. So now next, pupunta na tayo sa ating main topic. Paano ba natin i-connect si Nightbot? First, ita-type natin, punta tayo kay Nightbot. Type lang natin Nightbot. Ayan. So yan, ilalabas ni Google ang Nightbot. Sa mga walang Nightbot, mas maganda ito para pag busy kayo sa inyong live streaming, may ginagawa kayo, pwede si Nightbot ang magbababa ng mga links at mga bahay ng inyong mga members at sa inyong mga ka-team. And now, pag click nyo nun, so ilalabas ni ito ang dashboard ni Nightbot sa intro. So pag hindi pa kayo naka-sign in yan, ilalabas niya sign up or log in. So since pwede naman kayong mag-sign up. So i-connect nyo lang ang YouTube channel niyo. But me, I have already the Nightbot. But yes, let's try. So let's try yan. So click nyo lang yung sign up. Then ilalabas niya log in with Twitch or log in with YouTube. Of course, we will choose YouTube because doon tayo nagla-live streaming. So proceed tayo. Ayan. So, mag-a-ask siya kung saang ano ba, saang YouTube channel. So, saang YouTube channel niyo siya i-connect. So, kung marami kang YouTube channel or main, so sa akin ito, ang aking main YouTube channel. So, yan, i-connect ko siya dyan. Just click. And Nightbot will ask, or Nightbot wants to access your Google account. So, naghihingi siya ng permission. So, of course, if you do not allow cancel, of course, you need to use Nightbot. So, i-allow natin siya. Okay, so now, so here, ito ang ano ni Nightbot, ito ang dashboard ni Nightbot sa inyong account. Yan, since it has connected now already to my YouTube channel, so ito yung pinaka main dashboard ni YouTube. So yan makikita nyo, top chatter, yan, dito dashboard, commands, giveaways, timers. So ang ituturo lang natin sa inyo is i-connect natin siya sa ating YouTube channel. So, gagawa tayo first ng isang command bago natin siya i-connect. So, dito, customize command. So, paano ba gumawa ng command? Sa akin dito sa YouTube channel ko, marami na akong mga members, marami na akong ginawa dito. But, I will show you paano gumawa. So, yan sa command, if empty yan dito, dito nakalagay add command. So, yan, gagawin natin, i-press natin yung add command. Then, after that, sa add command, so, ano bang pag mag-comment sila, usually nagko-comment ang ating mga viewers like thumbs up. Ayan. So, yan ang ilagay, command, thumbs up. So, ang ibig sabihin sa command dito guys, pag may mag-comment dito, so ito ang ilalabas message. So, ito, this is the response. So, yan, pwede kang maglagay dyan. Ayan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Enjoy fishing. Ayan. Pwede nyo yan siyang ilagay, ganyan. Yeah. This would be the response of Nightbot. So, kung busy ka, so si Nightbot is assisting you to respond on your viewers that are coming. So, yan. Of course, cooldowns just 5 seconds. Nasa sa inyo din kung gusto nyo 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So, every time mag-comment sila ng thumbs up. But, recommended po guys is 5 seconds only cooldown. Of course, dito, user level. Pwede nyo siyang kung owner lang ba, moderator lang ba ang makaano nito, regular supporter, but recommended is everyone. So, put everyone. Okay, this one, alias, skip nyo na. Then, after that, like thumbs up na or thumbs up, o yan, or thumbs up, yeah. So, after that, submit. Ayan. So, nag-error siya guys because it's already existed in my command. So, gawin lang natin kahit thumbs up. Or usually thumbs up kasi ang ginilalagay natin, di ba? So, thumbs up. So, yan ang ano natin guys, thumbs up or thumbs up. So, yan. Submit natin siya. Ayan. So, andun na siya, nakasubmit na siya. I-search nyo siya kung nandun na ba siya sa ating command. Thumbs up. Ayan. Nandyan na po siya guys. This is the command. So, thumbs up, and this is the response of the Nightbot. So, the user level, as you can see, sinet natin siya as everyone. So, everyone can be responded by the Nightbot na ito yung i-respond ni Nightbot. And if you want to edit, pwede po siyang ma-edit guys ang ating command. Ma-edit po ang ating response anytime po yan. Walang anytime pwede siyang ma-edit. So, kung gusto niyo namang i-delete, yan, pwede siyang i-delete. Ito press niyo lang to, ma-delete niya yung command na yan. O yan, ito pag-edit yan. Okay? So now, next, paano ba natin siya i-connect doon sa ating YouTube channel? Okay? So, before anything else, dito din tayo sa timers yan. Pwede sa timers din kung sino yung mga VIP nyo or napapagod kayong mag-aantay na may magko-comment na ganun, you can put on the timer also. As you can see, meron ako dito na mga naka-timer and pwede kang mag-add na naka-timer din. Like minimum nito, minimum minutes is 5 minutes cooldown. So, pwede kang mag-add like i-add mo like ito si Lizelle Arnaiz, yan. Nandyan siya guys, Lizelle Arnaiz, naka-timer yan siya. Every 5 minutes, binababa po ni Nightbot ang kanyang bahay. So, that's automatic. Kahit walang mag-comment, automatic every 5 minutes cooldown, ibababa po ni Nightbot ang kanyang bahay. So, nasa sa inyo din yan guys kung anong ilalagay nyo kahit hindi mga links or bahay, a response or an announcement or a join button like me here. As you can see, there's a join and the message would be join Oman University. So, every 5 minutes, Nightbot will drop the message of like this. Ito, join Oman University and see exciting perks. So, yan ibababa niya. So, automatic po yan. Hindi kailangan ng comment na join. So, automatic po ibababa ni Nightbot yan every after 5 minutes. Okay? So next, doon na tayo sa main topic natin sa i-connect natin siya sa ating YouTube channel. Okay? So balik tayo doon sa ating dashboard. Sa dashboard, in the right top portion, makikita natin ito, Join Channel. So sa Join Channel, so pindutin lang natin yan. Yan, may magpa-pop up. Yan. So, Nightbot is now joining the channel. So, sinasabi niya joining the channel but it is not yet joined on your live streaming. But it joined to your channel but not yet in your live streaming. So, there is another step that you will do. So, sinabi niya sa step 1, head to your community settings. So, pupunta tayo sa ating community settings. I-click natin yon. So, i-redirect tayo doon ni Nightbot sa ating channel dashboard doon sa ating settings and community tab portion. So, medyo loading lang ang ating internet. Yan. So, ito, pinunta tayo niya dito sa community. Tapos, ano ba ang step 2? Ang step 2, sinasabi, enter this link, yan, yung naka-red, into the moderator's list and do not forget to press save. So, in other words, ikakopy natin siya, guys. I-highlight natin siya. Ayan. So, copy natin siya or Control-C. Gamitin nyo right-click or Control-C. Copy, the highlighted one. And, ipipaste natin siya dito. So, yan. Click, it's Control-V or right-click, paste. Ayan. So, lalabas dyan. Dapat may lalabas dito na Nightbot na pangalan. So, antayin lang natin. Naglo-loading pa siya. Ayan. So, yan. Lumalabas si Nightbot agad. So, ang gagawin nyo is click nyo lang yan siya, si Nightbot. Then, yung sinabi doon, do not forget to save. Huwag kalimutan guys, pag kinancel nyo, hindi pa rin siya makukonect sa channel. So, in other words, dito, isi-save nyo siya para connected na siya sa channel nyo at sa live streaming nyo. So, click natin yung save. Ayan. So, balik ulit tayo dito sa dashboard ng Nightbot. So, now, na-paste na natin siya, na-connect na natin siya sa channel, na-join na natin siya sa ating channel. Now, go live Nightbot will only join streams that are live and not unlisted nor private on YouTube. Yan. So, sa live streaming lang po si Nightbot lalabas guys. Ha? Hindi po siya lalabas sa ating tawag nito. Hindi siya lalabas doon sa mga premiere. Only on the live streaming lang siya guys. Okay? So now, punta na tayo ulit sa close na natin to. Yan, we will go to magla-live na tayo kung napasok ba si Nightbot. Yan, may nakaset up ako dito na isang live streaming. So, edit ko muna kasi sabi niya doon, hindi pwede ipapublic natin siya. Okay, save changes. So, Nightbot test lang tayo. Okay? After that, so, yan, naka-ready na yung live streaming natin. I'm using StreamYard, guys. So, nasa sa inyo yan kung gagamitin nyo direct to YouTube. But I'm using StreamYard. So, now, click na natin yung go live. So, magla-live na tayo, guys. Hanggat hindi pa yan naka-live, kahit mag-comment sila dyan ng thumbs up, hindi pa rin yan magre-respond si Nightbot. So, now, we'll go to the YouTube. I-view natin siya dun sa YouTube. Kung mag-aano ba siya, magre-respond ba si Nightbot. But there are some critical, take note guys, sometimes Nightbot will not respond. So si Nightbot guys, hindi siya magre-respond. So meaning na may delays ang kanyang ano. So now may tayo kanina, di ba? Thumbs up. Okay. Thumbs up. Magko-comment tayo ng thumbs up kung may lalabas ba. Antayin natin kung may lalabas si Nightbot. Medyo sometimes kasi si Nightbot guys tamad. So antayin lang natin. Ayan. Medyo matagal si Nightbot nagre-respond. Ayan. So, antayin lang natin guys. Ano lang yan si Nightbot. Tawag nito. Magre-respond din yan anytime. but it has been connected already to your channel. Let's go back. Yes, it's already connected because when maglalabas dito guys, part channel na siya, meaning it has been connected to your channel already. So connected na siya. Pag join ang nakalagay guys, meaning hindi pa siya i-click mo siya para mag-join pa sa channel mo. Okay, let's wait for a while. So Nightbot is a bit tired, or Nightbot is what do you call this one? Nightbot is tamad, lazy sometimes. Yan, as you can see guys, yan, nag-respond na si Nightbot yan. Nung natin yung thumbs up, ayan, thank you, o thumbs up, yan, thank you for supporting Oman Filipino Times live streaming. Enjoy fishing, yan. Yan guys, connected na po si Nightbot sa ating live stream. So yan, anytime magbababa, kung sino man ang mag-aano guys, sino ang magko-comment ng thumbs up, ibababa ni Nightbot ang respond na ginawa natin sa message dashboard. Tapos kung gusto niyo yung timer naman, pwede niyo gagawin doon, okay? So yun lang guys, ganun lang po ang pag-connect ng Nightbot natin. So if you want to add more commands, pwede kayong mag-add ng mga commands dito, marami customize yan. Pwede nyo kung mga monetized channel na kayo, may members yan, ibababa. Or if you want mga VIP members nyo, gusto nyong timer anytime, ibababa siya ni Nightbot. If mabibisi kayo paangat, ibababa ni Nightbot anytime ang kanilang mga channel. Yan guys, this is just the basic knowledge on the Nightbot, but there's a lot. There's a lot of things that we need to know the Nightbot, but these are the basic that you need to know sa mga small YouTuber na mga live streamers dyan, okay? So, yan, once again guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panunood at see you on my next tutorial segment vlog kay Oman Filipino Times. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe Oman Filipino Times para sa ma-update kayo sa aking mga tutorial videos and YouTube guidelines guidance. Once again, maraming salamat and God bless you and see you around guys. Thank you for watching Oman Filipino Times.